I'm Sandra Martone, and we are at our house in Oakville, Ontario, decorated for the Christmas holidays. We have lived here for 17 years. We left downtown Toronto and moved out to the suburbs. When we first built the house, it had a little bit of French country look. However, we could only do so much. About 6 years ago, we decided that we would renovate our entire main floor and create the look that we've always wanted. I was really aiming to get a casually elegant feel. I love rich, warm colors. I try to create an inviting space, one that you are not afraid to sit in and to enjoy. The structure remained the same aside from taking out a built-in, and we added the large stone fireplace, carrying the eye up to the ceiling. We added paneling detail and the coffered ceiling. I always love when a client is interested in adding panel detail or any millwork to both their walls and their ceilings, particularly when you have a fairly large space like ours and high ceilings. It tends to bring more warmth to the room, and also it tends to bring the ceiling height down and creating a more casually elegant space. Our kitchen had the glazed cabinetry, cream in color. We had a board and batten hood fan. It just gave an overall French country look. The aesthetic that we wanted to achieve in the kitchen was a transitional look, classic, with a lot of detail. So the coffered ceilings that we added certainly gave us that feeling. We wanted a painted finish to our cabinetry and probably marble, but we didn't want to have that with our family lifestyle, so we chose a granite. With the boys away, I think home for the holidays is probably a good theme for us because we look forward to our children coming home for the holidays. Over the past few years, I felt that we needed to bring in some tradition into our decor for Christmas. So we've added in a lot of traditional Christmas, vibrant, rich reds in the toss cushions, in the throws, in our poinsettias, in our wreaths. However, have also mixed that with more current elements with our chartreuse toss cushions and even all of our Christmas decorations on the Christmas tree. The silver, the glass, the more natural organic decorations. We add decorations to our mantel, garlands along our staircase. We always aim to try and get a taller Christmas tree to fill the space, and then just add accents throughout the kitchen, just casually elegant accents. I love Christmas, mostly because we have our family together. It's amazing when they walk through the door after being away for several months, and to spend time as a family just makes the Christmas holidays just so much better. Ah, I smiled. That's an improvement over last video. I don't think I cracked a smile at all.